Roots crushed with a roar. Who enjoys this kind of power? Comment 6. Drain jets blast like fire hoses. What's your guess on the PSI pressure? Dirt scooped like spooning rice. How heavy is each bucket, you think? Sand sucked like a vacuum cleaner. How many pounds per minute, you reckon? Fruit rail glides smooth like an E-train. Makes you want to hop on. Watering system wide as rain curtains. How many acres per hour? Any idea? Husks fly like confetti. How many pounds processed per hour? Any guess? Pills sealed tight in every slot. This line must run non-stop all day. Grass gets trimmed smooth as a razor, cut straight as a ruler. Crushed like crackers. Whoa. How many US tons of pressure can this handle? Hat brim stitched perfectly when we... How many per hour do you think? Robot opens bags like snack packs, clears a whole warehouse in an hour. Battery-powered can crusher hits hard. Glass mug handles bent red hot. What's your guess on furnace temp in DGC? Road washed without a dust speck. How many FT2 per minute? Concrete pipes shaped round like straws. Brilliant for construction. Robot paints the car trunk without a drop. This shop's gotta be in Europe, right? Red hot metal stamping. Furnace must hit 1000 degrees, right? Rock drilling hits dead center. How long is that drill bit in feet? Grill edges trimmed fast like peeling fruit. Accuracy down to 0.04 inches. Ceiling panels lifted with ease. Ever tried it? If not, comment 0. Packaging line races like a track car. No backlogs in this factory. Buttons sewn on smooth as silk. How many per minute, you think? Concrete so smooth it's like surfing. Pure satisfaction just watching. Metal pipes bent like spaghetti. Plus 0.004 inches. Precision is no joke. CNC machining moves like ballet. Which industry do you think uses this? Making pallets by hand this fast? That craftsman must have a secret superpower. Circuit boards cut with plus 0.004 inches accuracy. Flawless, every single one. Snow plowed like a morning shave. Winter never looked so satisfying.